Hey food enthusiasts, today I'm going to show you how to master the art of vegan Hasselback potatoes. These spuds are not only a showstopper but also incredibly delicious and easy to make. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab some nice medium-sized potatoes. You'll want them to be roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Give them a good wash and scrub because we'll be leaving the skin on. Now here's the trick to getting those perfect thin slices without cutting all the way through. Place a chopstick or a wooden spoon handle on either side of the potato. This will act as a guard to stop your knife from going too deep. Carefully make parallel cuts about 1/8 inch apart. The thinner the slices, the crispier the edges will be. Once all your potatoes are sliced, it's time to infuse some flavor. Mix together a few tablespoons of olive oil, minced garlic, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. You can also throw in some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme for an extra kick. Using a brush, generously coat each potato, making sure to get some oil in between each slice. This is what's going to make them super crispy and flavorful. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Place the potatoes on a baking tray lined with parchment paper or foil for easy cleanup. Pop them in the oven and let them bake for about 45 to 60 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're golden brown and crispy on the outside, and tender on the inside. Feel free to baste them with a bit more oil halfway through the cooking process for extra crispiness. While the potatoes are baking, you can prepare a delicious vegan sauce to drizzle on top. One of my favorites is a simple cashew cream. Soak a cup of cashews in hot water for about 15 minutes, then drain and blend them with some water, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt until smooth and creamy. It's rich, tangy, and pairs perfectly with the potatoes. Once your Hasselback potatoes are out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes. Then drizzle that luscious cashew cream over the top and garnish with some fresh chives or parsley for a pop of color. Trust me, these vegan Hasselback potatoes are a game changer. They're crispy, flavorful, and best of all, completely plant-based. Perfect for impressing your guests or just treating yourself to a delicious meal. So there you have it. Vegan Hasselback potatoes made easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. And as always, drop a comment down below if you have any questions or if there's a recipe you'd love to see next. Happy cooking, food enthusiasts. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.